It's Drew here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to put some features on our face. As you can see, we've done the head, and we've got a nice nose on him, and we just want to put some eyes on him. So first of all, you're going to take a tapestry needle and going to thread some black wool onto it. So just fold it in half and then push that through there, then you can pull it quite easily. That's how we thread our wool. Now what we want to do is just put 2 arcs on here to look like he's really happy and give him a happy face. So if we look at the front, see that there? And we want to get the centre of the nose, and that would be about that stitch there. Now then, we want to put our first eye here. So if we go in through the top of the head, because this is a Santa Claus, so he's going to be having a hat, so no one will be able to see the top of his head. So if we go in through the top here, make sure you go in through between 2 stitches so you don't catch the wool. Now go in, and if we think this is the top of his nose there, that's the middle, we'll count 5 stitches across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just on the row above the nose there. And we want to come out in that stitch. If we push the needle through, remember to come out in between the stitches. So we pull the wool through, but remember to leave a tail here so we can tie it off at the end. Now go 2 stitches across, because that will form the arc of the eye. But don't pull it tight yet, because we want to secure the arc, we want to put the needle in and go back 1 stitch and up a row, and to come out there. Now still don't pull it tight, but just pull it so you can actually see the arc of the eye. See? If we can fix it there, then that would be great. So what we do is get the needle, go round that and go back into the same hole we just came out of. Now that will take care of this eye. Now we've got to think of the other one. So again, we go to the middle stitch there and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that will be the outer side of the other eye. So come back 2, so that will be 3 from the centre of the nose, 1, 2, 3, and we want to come out in that hole there. There we go. Now then, while we're pulling this, we don't want to pull him tight because that will make his eyes go pointy, and we want them to be arcs. So just be careful with it, and you'll see that it will be getting quite a nice eye like that there. Now we just do the same on this side as we did with the first one. So we go 2 across, then we go up a row and 1 back. Pull it through, but not too tightly. Make sure it's in the right place. Then loop around that piece of yarn there and go back into the same stitch. Now when we're coming out again, we want to come out directly in the same spot as we went in. So make sure you can just get it through the right spot there. That'll make it easier to tie off at the end. So push that through, but don't pull it too tightly, because you want to get this nicely lined up to get a beautiful arc. Now you see I've done that wrong. Pull that out. Right, so if you pull that in there, if it doesn't quite work, you can just work it through like this, and then it will eventually work out. Pull that yarn till it's how you want it to be, then pull it in. See? And there we have 2 nice eyes. What you have to do now is tie off that, cut the yarn, and then push it back in, and you'll never even see it's been there.